If you're searching for a stunning flagship killer smartphone that can rival the iPhone, your wait might soon be over. Why? Because Nokia is about to drop an absolute powerhouse of a phone, packed with a 500-megapixel DSLR level camera, and the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, all of this at an unbelievable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, stick around till the end, because in this video, we're breaking down its leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. Nokia's this beast comes with a massive 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, featuring a 144Hz refresh rate, 506 ppi pixel density, and a blazing fast 360Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. In today's world, camera quality is a major deciding factor when buying a smartphone. Keeping that in mind, Nokia has equipped this phone with an insane DSLR-level camera setup. You get a quad camera system with a 500-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 200-megapixel 50-megapixel, and 12-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a stunning 100-megapixel front camera, for crystal clear selfies and video calls. Processor and performance. The biggest highlight, power. This phone runs on Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. And for software, it's rocking the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Nokia has packed this monster with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, that's built to last. And when you do need to recharge, 250-watt fast charging juices it up in minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it'll be priced around $750, which is a steal for these specs. And as for the launch date, expect Nokia to unveil this beast early in 2026.